Hi there and welcome to this lecture. After finishing up with the campaign and the ad set levels, now we are going to tackle the ad level. It's with no doubt the simplest level, so feel relaxed. In this level, you choose everything related directly to your ad. You start by naming your ad. I always recommend you to give meaningful names so you won't get lost later when you have too many ads. After naming your ad, you choose the Facebook page and the Instagram page of your business. So if you have a store, you pick its Facebook page and its Instagram page. The pages will be shown on the ad so your viewers will see them. So create two profiles and design them. For your Facebook page, add a profile and a cover photo. Add some description, location, and contact info. So in this way, your page will look professional. And for Instagram, add also a photo, a bio, and some posts. So your profile won't look spammy or unprofessional. After that, you can choose between two options. Either you choose to create a new ad or you use one of your existing posts. If you go with the first option, you will be creating your post here directly within your ad set. You have here three options. I always go with the first one. Through this course, you have discovered how to design your ad image and video. So here at this section, you will be using them. If you are choosing to advertise with an image, you just upload it here. If you choose to advertise with a video, you can either choose to upload your video or you can let Facebook create a slideshow or a video for you. For sure, I recommend you to add your own video. This is the best option for higher conversion. Then you choose your link type. We are advertising for a product on our store, not for a Facebook event, so you keep website as your choice. Then you add your ad description here and you add the link for your product page here. And here you can change how this link would be displayed. So if you want to make your link to display in a different way, you can do it here. So if your link is too long, you can write it here in a shorter way. And here you should add your headline. Your headline is your ad title. So how to choose a good headline? Well, there are many options regarding this point, but I will tell you the ones that worked for me, and it's always up to you to test and try. The first criteria is to use a 5 words headline. Many studies had shown that ads with 5 words headlines are the best performing ones. Use numbers in your headline. Make it short, sweet, and to the point. You can also use a question format. Use action verbs, point out benefits, and create curiosity. After your headline, you should add your link description. Use the same 7 points I have recommended before to write your headline. Make it short and precise. For the call to action button, I recommend you to use the words learn more. Don't use buy now, because if you put buy now, people will think that they are going to buy directly at this moment from you. This might scare them. That's why I recommend you to use learn more instead of buy now. This would be much more better for your conversion and much more better for your viewers. You choose your pixel and you proceed. On the other hand, if you go with the second option, which is the one I recommend you to do, and you will learn later in this course why it's definitely your best and most fruitful option, you use an existing post or one of your existing ads. Both options will work fine for you. Let's say I want to use one of my existing ads. So I go to this ad and I click on this option in here. This option will allow me to see my ad. From here, I can copy my ad post ID and I can use it inside my ad level setup. In this way, I will be using the same ad post again and again in my different campaigns. I hope you understood the ad level. Stay tuned with me and let's meet in the next lecture.